students, a warm welcome to all of you. Hope you are all well. Do you recognize me? I'm your music teacher, isn't it? I take music class in nursery. Okay, you all are nursery kids. So today we are going to start our English handwriting class. Okay, nursery English handwriting class. I hope many of you know the letters A, B, C, D, etc. But how to write them, that is the exact process I am going to teach you today. Okay. So, firstly, do you know the standing line? Standing line is a line which we are doing from top to bottom. Just see, this is top and this is bottom. This is called the standing line. Okay. Again, a dot is over here. Again, another dot. This is called the standing line. Followed everyone? I hope you know this. Okay. Again a dot. Suppose a flower is over here. Again a flower is over here. We are joining the two flowers and this is called the standing line. Okay. Now we are going to do the slipping line. Just see. How we are going to do the slipping line? We have a kite over here. Just see. This is a kite and this is also another kite. Okay, now we are going to join the first kite to the second kite. Okay, so this is the joining. This is called the slipping line. Okay, again a balloon. Just see a balloon. Here is one balloon and here is another balloon. Okay, how are we going to do? We are going to join the lines like this, so that the line becomes a slipping line. Standing line is used generally for writing B, for writing I, J, etc. Okay, but the slipping line is used sometimes for writing L. Okay, like this, E, F, etc. Now we are going to do the four lines. A. Just see, all of you know this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In English handwriting, there are 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So, A starts how we are going to do. Just give the dots over here. 1 dot, 2 dot and 3 dot. Leave the fourth line. So, start from here. First, second and third. Followed, this is the sloping line. We do the line like this. This is called sloping. Okay. We have learned already standing line, slipping line, then sloping line comes. Now from dot, the second dot and the third dot. So we are going to join from first, second and the third line. So now we are going to join the second two dots. So this becomes A. Followed? Now let's again we are going to do A. Okay? One dot over here, one dot and one dot. Just see. So now we are going to join from first, second and third, leaving beside the fourth line. Okay. So 1, 2 and 3. Followed again 1, 2 and 3. So here comes A. We are going to join the line like this. So this becomes A. Okay. Again I am repeating. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. This is the third line. Fourth line we are not doing. Okay. So join 1, 2 and 3 like this. 1, 2 and 3 like this. Followed. So now this becomes A. Okay. This becomes A. So let's leave this line. Now we are going. Did you follow how to write A? So we are writing the A like this. Just see, we are writing the A like this. So this is called A. Now the B. How are you going to do B? All of you know the standing line, the slipping line and the sloping line. Now we are going to do the curving line. Just have a look. Now we are going to do the curving line. So how will we do the curving line? We will start from one point to the other point and the line goes like a curve. This is called curving line. Okay. From here to the second line goes like a curve. This is called curving line. We can go also like we are joining the two dots. It becomes C. Did you follow? So this becomes C and this becomes half of B. Now in the second part we are doing second line 1, 2 and 3. In the capital letters don't use the fourth line. Okay, in the capital letters we are using only the first three lines. So when we are doing this we are joining a straight line which is known as standing line. Already we have discussed. Then comes the curve from first line to the second line, again from the second line to the third line. So this becomes B. Followed? Next again 1, 2, 3. So what are we doing? We are just giving a line over here, a straight line. Then we are joining the two lines, curve. This becomes B. Followed? Next again we are doing the B to C. One dot in the first line, another dot in the second line and the third dot in the third line. We are joining the straight line. Again we are curving and giving a second curve. And this becomes B. I hope you have understood how to write capital letters A and B. You will be able to follow it. Now in your book you try to write the sloping lines, curving lines. Do for homework all this and after that you start A and B. Okay? When the school opens, I will just try to check. But before that you finish up all the lines. Okay? Straight line, curving line, slipping line, etc. All the best for you all. Stay home, stay safe and bye-bye.